Learn salsa dancing for beginners on 2 in 30 days. No partner needed. Today we'll do more practice based on these summary sessions from the 30-day course. We will take the final section from each of these days and combine them to create the ultimate practice session. This 20-minute session is a collection of the most popular variations we see on the dance floor. These common combinations can be used as templates to lead a wide range of unique, impressive, and exciting salsa patterns. We will start with a crossbody lead, anchoring to the back, and a full swap. Are you ready? Yeah, day 9. Let's go. Face to your right, and let's start. One basic. 1. And let's do the crossbody lead with the swap. Let's go. Crossbody lead. Front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now the swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Cross to the back, on the line, forward. Now crossbody lead again. Front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now the full swap. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, on the line, and crossbody lead again. Let's go. Front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, on the line, and full speed. One basic. 1, 2, 3, and crossbody lead and a swap. Go. Front, open, anchor, back, open, crossbody lead, front, open, and swap. Anchor, back, open, and crossbody lead, front, open, and swap. Anchor, back, open, and on the line. And turn around and slow basic. 1, 2, 3, and let's do crossbody lead and the back crossbody lead. Let's go. Front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now back crossbody lead. Back, side, open, in place, on the line, and forward. Crossbody lead again. Front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now back crossbody lead. Back, side, open, in place, on the line, forward. Crossbody lead again. Front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now back crossbody lead. Back, side, open, in place, on the line, and full speed. One basic. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Crossbody lead and a back crossbody lead. Front, open, and anchor. Back, open, and crossbody lead again. Front, open, and back crossbody lead. Anchor, back, open, and crossbody lead. Front, open, and back crossbody lead. Anchor, back, open, and basic. Now, day 10. Turn around and one basic slow. And now let's do a longer sequence. CBL, swap, and back CBL. Are you ready? Let's go. CBL, front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, on the line, anchor. Now the back CBL. Back, side, open, in place, on the line, and forward. CBL again. Front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now swap. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, on the line, anchor. Now back CBL. Back, side, open, in place, on the line, forward, full speed, one basic. 1, 2, 3, let's go. Crossbody lead. front, open and swap. Anchor, back, open and back CBL. Anchor, back, open and CBL again. Go. Front, open and swap. Anchor, back, open and back CBL. Anchor, back, open and on the line. Turn to your left and let's do one basic slow. And another sequence, CBL, back CBL, and then the swap. Let's go, CBL, front, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now the back CBL, back, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now the swap, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, on the line, forward, CBL again, front, side, open, doing great, in place, on the line, anchor. Now back CBL, back, side, open, in place, on the line, anchor. Now the swap, back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, on the line, and full speed, one basic. And the same sequence, starting with a CBL. Go! Front, open, and the back CBL. Anchor, back, open, and the swap. Anchor, back, open, and the CBL again. Front, open, and back CBL. Anchor, back, open, and swap. Anchor, back, open, and back on the line. Basic. And now day 19. Basic and basic slow. And now we do a longer sequence starting with swap offline to the left. 5, 6, anchor, swap offline. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side. Back, anchor on 7, cross to the back, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross, open, anchor on 7, cross to the back, rotate, anchor, swap offline. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass. Cross, side, back, don't forget to anchor. Cross to the back, on the line, and anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate, and full speed. One full basic, and swap offline. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, and left pass. Cross and swap 360. Anchor, back, swap offline to the left. Anchor, back, open, and left pass. Cross and swap 360. Anchor, back, open, rotate, on the line, basic, and basic slow. And let's do the sequence again, starting with a swap offline to the left. Back, in place, anchor, swap offline to the left. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass. Cross, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross, open, anchor on 7, cross to the back, rotate, anchor. Now swap offline. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, over the line and forward. Now left pass. Cross, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and anchor. Swap 360. Back, cross, open, cross to the back, rotate, and one basic, full speed. And swap offline. Go. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open, and left pass. Now, cross, back and swap 360. Anchor, back, and swap offline. Anchor, back, open, and left pass. Cross, back and swap 360. Anchor, back, open, rotate, basic. And now day 20. Basic again. and then basic slow, and a new sequence, starting with swap 360. Let's go. 5, 6, anchor, swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Now reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist, open, in place. On the line, anchor for the swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open, cross to the back, rotate and on the line. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now 360. On the line. Twist, open, in place, on the line and full speed. One basic, let's go. And a swap 360. 5, 6, anchor. Back, open and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist, open and swap 360. Anchor, back, open and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and 360. Now, twist, open, on the line. And now we'll do the basic offline to the left and then left pass. 1, 2, 3. Back, side, forward. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Now reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass but offline. Cross to the back, front, side, stay offline, back, in place, forward. Now left pass, cross to the front side, back, cross to the back, on the line and forward. Now reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass, cross to the back, front, side, step to the back and full speed. One basic, offline to the left. Go. And left pass. Back, side, forwards. Cross, back and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and right pass offline to the left. Cross the back, side, stay offline and left pass. Cross, back and reverse CBL offline. Front, side and right pass. Cross to the back, side and on the line. And now day 29. Let's go. I'll turn around. One basic slow. And let's do another sequence. Yes. Starting with right turn CBL offline. Let's go. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open. Now the hook turn. Hook, spin and double swap. Now, back, cross to the front, open. Now cross to the back, forwards, rotate. Right turn CBL offline. Front, side, rotate to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with the hook. On the line, twist, open. Now the hook, hook, and spin. Now double swap. Go. Back, cross to the front, open. Cross to the back, forwards, and rotate. Full speed, one basic. 1. Let's go. Right turn CBL offline. Front, side, rotate, and over the line. 360 with the hook. And double swap. Back, open, and right turn CBL offline. Front, side, rotate, and over the line. 360 with a hook. Hook, spin, double swap. Back, open, rotate, and turn around. Basic slow, and a new sequence. Yes. Starting with a reverse CBL. Are you ready? Let's go. Reverse CBL. Front, in place, side, cross to the back, on the line and forwards. Now single right turn. Front, rotate to the right, spin. Now offline to the left and left pass with a hook. Cross to the front, side, back. Now the hook. hook, and spin. Now reverse CBL again. Front, in place, side. Cross to the back, on the line, and forward. Now single right turn. Front, rotate to the right, spin, and offline to the left. Back, side, forwards. Now left pass. Cross to the front, side, back. Now the hook turn. Hook to the back, spin, and full speed. One basic. One. Let's go. Reverse CBL. Front, side, cross to the back, and single right turn. And offline to the left, and L pass. And the hook turn. And reverse CBL. Front, side, open. And single right turn. And offline to the left. And left pass. With a hook. Hook, spin. Basic. And now day 30. Basic and a new sequence. Starting with reverse CBL offline. Are you ready? Let's go. Reverse CBL offline. Front, in place, side. Cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side. Now reverse swap. Back, forwards, rotate to the left. CBL with the hook. Front, side, open. Now the hook. Hook to the back and spin. Now reverse CBL offline. Back on the line, in place, side. Cross to the back, open, in place. Now right pass. Cross to the back, front, side. Now reverse swap. Back, forwards, and rotate to the left. CBL with the hook. Front, side, open. Now the hook. Hook to the back, spin and full speed. One basic. Let's go. Back on the line. And reverse CBL offline. Go. Front, side, and right pass. Now. And reverse swap. And CBL with the hook. Front, open. Reverse CBL offline. Front, side, and right pass. Now. And reverse swap. CBL with the hook. Front, open, hook, spin. Basic. And now basic slow and a new sequence. Start with half swap offline to the right. Let's go. 5, 6, and go. Now half swap. Back, cross to the front, open. Now offline to the right. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with an anchor. On the line, twist. Open. In place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open. To the back, rotate, and anchor. Half swap offline. Back, cross to the front, open. In place, cross over the line and forwards. Now 360 with an anchor on the line. Twist, open. In place, on the line, anchor. Now swap 360. Back, cross to the front, open. Cross to the back, rotate, and full speed. One basic. Let's go. And half swap offline. 5, 6, anchor, back, and over the line, 360, and swap 360, anchor, back, open, and half swap, anchor, back, open, and over the line, 360, twist, open, and swap 360, anchor, back, open, close to the back, rotate on the line, and thank you very much for joining me.